Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable the Suggest in Address Bar feature in LibreWolf browser. If you're using LibreWolf and you want to make your browsing experience a bit more intuitive, enabling this option can be really helpful. So, let's get started. First, make sure you have LibreWolf open. Now we need to access the settings. To do this, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the browser. Select Settings. Once the settings page is open, scroll down on the left panel and click Search. Scroll down to find the address bar section. Simply check the box to Browsing History bookmarks, Open tabs, Shortcuts, Search engines. This will allow LibreWolf to suggest websites and search terms directly in the address bar as you type. Once you've enabled the suggestions, it's time to test it. Go back to the address bar and start typing a website or a search term. You should now see suggestions pop up as you type. And that's it. You've successfully enabled suggestions in the address bar of LibreWolf. This will make it easier to quickly access websites or perform searches directly from the address bar. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.